Isa sa mga kadalasan na tinatanong ng isang Pilipino is, paano magsimula ng life insurance? Ito ay ilan sa mga tips para makapagsimula ka. First, assess your needs. Determine how much coverage you or your family needs. Second, choose a policy type, VUL or traditional. Third, budget. So, kailangan alam mo kung magkano yung mailalaan o kaya ng budget mo. Kasi yung pagkuha ng life insurance ay isang commitment. Fourth, get quotations. Ask for a quotation. Depende na lang yan kung ano yung goal mo. Whether it's life insurance, health insurance, retirement planning, or educational fund. Fifth, review terms carefully. Understand the benefits, how it works, and magkano yung premium. Usually kasi, pwede siyang bayaran via annual, semi-annual, or quarterly. 6. Apply. Complete the application form, send the requirements needed, buy the policy, finalize the payment, and receive the confirmation. 7. Wait for the approval. Usually, it takes 2 to 4 days bago ma-approve. 8. Inform your beneficiaries. Let them know na meron kayong life insurance. Na in case in the future, meron kayong magagamit. And review your policy yearly. Libre lang yan as your financial advisor para alam mo kung ano na yung status ng policy mo. Comment down below kung nakatulong ako para makapagsimula ka ng iyong life insurance. And kung gusto mo, ako na yung maging financial advisor mo. Message mo lang ako.